Meet the Dreametech W10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. It sweep, scrub, wash and dry 4-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner with excellent navigation Lidar, 4000 Pascal strong suction for pet hair, hard floor and carpet. Efficient sweeping and mopping, upgraded 19.2 cm ultra-long roller brush and 4000 Pascals ultra-large suction force make cleaning more effective. Anti-tangle cleaning design, double rotating mop to clean the floor, ultrasonic smart carpet recognition effectively cleans different floors. Automatic washing and drying, smart mop return cleaning, hot air drying, providing healthier and cleaner cleaning. And it is equipped with a 4L super large independent clean sewage tank, no need to change the water often, free your hands. Longer battery life, it is equipped with a 6,400 mAh super capacity battery and a maximum working time of 210 minutes in silent mode, which can meet large area cleaning needs. It will automatically return to charging when the battery is low and return to the original location to continue cleaning after charging. Lidar navigation and multiple modes, adopts advanced Lidar LDS navigation with the latest high-intelligence algorithm. Fast scanning, dynamic and accurate mapping, reasonable and efficient rope planning. It has a variety of cleaning settings, cleaning more freely. Efficient corner cleaning. It uses D-shaped body design, which is more compact, and with radar recognition technology, it can more efficiently clean the stains in the corners of the wall. Rotary cleaning mop. Strong grip, multi-layer, composite material mop. Double disc spinning forward, 180 RPM, 8N continuous downward pressure. Easy to clean dust, dandruff, juice stains, etc. Smart pressure shift. W10 can automatically recognize the mat and increase the sweeping pressure when cleaning the mat, so it has a better mat cleaning effect. There are already thousands of satisfied customers with the Dreametech W10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. See this account from Phil Wang. He reports that he has had good experience with the Z10 Pro in the past. If you have an English Labrador like us, you will likely end up vacuuming your house almost daily during the fall seasons. And the Z10 Pro will basically take care of all your vacuuming tasks. However, you will still have to deal with all the dirt and muddy steps in the house. That's why we immediately bought the W10 after we saw it on Amazon. We've had the robot for about a week now, and you can see if it's done 4 cleanings so far. I set it to clean the mop after mopping every 15 square feet. It takes about 2 hours to vacuum and clean about 1,200 square feet, and that includes charging time. Once you've marked the areas to avoid, it's basically a set and forget experience. All I have to do is empty the trash can and the dirty water tank. The robot works very quietly if you set it to normal suction power. Hopefully the next iteration of this robot will come with additional vacuum bag. Do like Phil Wang, guarantee your Dreametech W10 Robot Vacuum right now. Official website in the video description and pinned in the first comment.